Good morning, guys. Good morning, Fateh, Badira, Milan, Abib. Okay, Milan, you can turn on the camera. Others are going to turn it on as well. Fateh, Badira, Abib, come on. Do I have to pin you guys again? Why so silent, Milan? What happened? How was your day yesterday, Milan?
No, ma'am.
Fateh, did your work go well? You went out yesterday, right?
Yes.
Did it go well?
Yes, it went on.
That's nice. Abib? We have to take a class photo today. I want everyone to be present. Laisel, please turn on the camera, and Barira, please turn on the camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Laisel. Good morning, Hella. How are you guys?
Good. Good. Good.
Good. Barira,
Yeah.
Laisel, please turn on. Otherwise, I'll have to pin you in. Yes. Who else is missing? Amila and Sidra. Two people are missing. I want to take a class
I
photo
have to go to water. Wait.
because you have not turned on your camera. Turn it on and I'll unpin you. Hurry up, Barira. Yes. Is everyone wearing white today?
Yeah, I think so.
That's great. We just need two more people. Make sure you
Maybe
show
Amelia
people.
is not gonna put
Why?
the flea. She sometimes put that black and white.
That will change, no worries. See, make sure you see at least till your chest. You sit properly. We are going to take a photo for the school magazine. Class-wise photo will come for the school magazine. So make sure you smile and give out your best. Who do we need? I'll take Shamila to come and join. Then Sidra. How will we get in touch with Sidra?
What if we take the photo shoot tomorrow?
Tomorrow someone else will be on leave. Then we won't be able to join tomorrow as well, right?
What about tomorrow?
Then it will go like this.
Tomorrow.
No.
He means after tomorrow.
No, you want today. Have to take it
Oh,
today.
I mean every tomorrow. Yeah, I'm already perfect.
There is no tomorrow. Tomorrow says today, right? When you say again tomorrow, it will be again tomorrow. There's no tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes.
Remember doing a photo? What? Photo what?
Photo shoot for school magazine. Barira, you're not
Where
there.
we go?
I am sending a photo to your mama saying Barira is sitting like this and not
Like
in
a
front of the screen.
non-seeing ghost.
Yeah, I'm taking a screenshot. I am sending to mama. Okay.
And tell her and put a ghost emoji.
Barira, I have taken a screenshot. I am gonna send this to mama.
I think Barira even heard that she. I think she left.
No, I got a screenshot.
No, she left. I think.
No, but I have the screenshot so I can send mama. That sounds good, right? Guys, next week we will be having our assessment, right? Are you prepared? Are you studying? Theme 10? Did you complete your projects? Tomorrow is the last date for project. I hope everyone please do it. Amila is here. But Amila, you are late by 5 minutes. SMP is only 10 minutes.
Good morning, ma'am. Yeah.
And we are not wearing white. Amila, we have to take this one. A class photo, you have to wear the uniform. Amila, you have to wear white. I cannot take photo in blue. You have to wear white. Go change and come quickly. Barira.
Bluetooth mode. Art mode.
Yes, Lazel
I
wants to
think
say
he's
something.
AI mode. She is.
Habib, what are we doing there?
She's AI mode.
I think so too. There's something.
She's AI mode.
Yeah, Milan is doing something there.
Should have been
Should I make Habib share the screen?
screen, ma'am said.
Beware. Why beware? You're not supposed to listen to the secret between me and Lazel. That's mean.
Can I join?
Let me just see here.
Habib, what happened? You're sharing the screen.
You have told me to share.
The way you're talking in like that voice. Like this word, like
That is our super voice.
that was not even a
Barira,
super
you are not
word. That
giving
was just super
attendance for
low.
yesterday. Do you want attendance for the first hour? Because I am teaching the first hour as well. So if you are not there in front of the screen and responding, I cannot give you attendance. Yeah, I know that. I already gave 2 warnings. And now I'll give the third warning. 1, 2, 3. Why Hannah looks shocked in Abib's screen? Like Abib, how do you get that pen? From where do you
It's
get that
easy.
pen? Yeah, pencil?
What did you say?
Where did you get
From
that pencil?
Oh, I just share my screen and then I just get it.
Yeah, please teach me how to get it.
Ma'am, I'll show you how also.
Okay.
Here.
First you share full screen.
Okay, you have to share the full screen, okay?
Yeah. There will be one word. Wait, 1 second, I'm lagging. I have to do this, then I have to come back in.
Ma'am, you don't have to take full screen. You could just take the tab also.
But in
Yeah.
tab, I never got that in tab.
Yeah, it doesn't work. You will see this thing, take it and take pen. And there you have it.
Let me try, okay? I'm gonna try. My full screen.
Let me stop sharing, ma'am. Then you can stop. Abhi, stop sharing so ma'am can share. Yeah.
Good morning, I'm back.
Yeah, Barira, you just lost the attendance for assembly.
Yeah.
Yes, you did, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Press show my screen anyway.
I'm clicking, nothing is happening. Come on.
If you do
Yeah,
that,
ma'am. Do you see the thing on the bottom? Yeah, click that and then click
press
that.
pen. Take pen.
Got it.
And you can also have other thing.
Got it.
How you can?
You could change color, ma'am.
Yeah, you
Look
can.
how many Bariras there are.
There is color. Yeah, take color, ma'am. Take color.
One second.
Guys, see. Look how many Bariras ahead. Hello.
What the hell are we bombo club? What the hell? Why is there so many?
Barira, your background.
Why is there so many? What? Polar bears.
Barira, please change your background.
On the camera, baby. Your camera, laptop. You sit on the chair.
Yeah, listen to
You
him.
didn't stop sharing. Where is Sidra? What happened to
Ma'am,
me?
and also, ma'am, when you click the right down will be color, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they can change.
Does anybody know how to like do this? Like multiply it itself like 100 times?